Welcome to the Riverview Law Foundation Level In-House Assistant. This assistant helps legal teams to quickly and easily manage the work coming into the function, plus the triage of it to the right team member. In addition, it provides case management and comprehensive dashboards and management reporting. So how does it work? How does it provide one consistent gateway into legal? How does it help legal teams manage their caseload? At its core is a simple model which sees a workflow comprising instruction management, triage, allocation to a legal team member, legal case opening, case management, and legal case close. As either a business user or a legal administrator, I click the In-House Assistant button. To make it easy for me to remember the case, I type in a shortcut reference. I am then presented with a standard new case instruction form. In the professional version, many of these fields are pre-populated, but in this example, I complete the required fields. I then select the work type from a pre-configured globally applicable list. I then add the priority level, the reason for the priority level, plus any further instructions. I can then attach relevant documents so that the legal team has full instructions. This document then appears in the screen as an attachment. Before final submission of the request for legal support, I can preview the instructions to make sure that they are correct. If they are, I can submit them. Having submitted the instructions, this screen shows the case in triage with a current activity, a status of case awaiting allocation. By selecting the case, the individual responsible for allocating it to a team member is in the triage workflow. From here, I can see the request summary, which shows a complete record of the instructions, including any attachments. This enables me to review the case before allocating it to a team member. By selecting Case Management, I can triage the case to a legal team member. I simply select the person to allocate it to. These individuals will have been set up at commencement by our Customer Service Centre, and press Submit. As can be seen from this screen, the current activity, the status of the case, is now Case with Team. As the team member who has been allocated to the case, I select the case and am presented with my case management screen. There are 3 case statuses: Case with Team, Case with Business, and Case with Third Party. By using these buttons, not only is the elapsed time of the case accurately recorded from start to finish, but so is the time that was spent with each area. This provides a good insight as to where any process blockages or training requirements may exist. I can also record case activity using different categories: case update, meeting note, telephone note, and other. I can also reassign the case to another team member, specifying the reason why. At the end of the matter, I can close the case, again specifying the reason why the case has been closed. All the cases I am working on at any time are shown in this workspace. This means I can see all current activity quickly and easily. This workflow automatically generates very valuable data. All our virtual assistants have comprehensive dashboards so that users have the live and trend data that enables them to make better and quicker decisions. On commencement, we set up your business units and users to ensure that the dashboards are tailored to your organization. For our in-house assistant, there are 3 dashboards: Overview, Team Leader, and Team Member. The Overview dashboard allows me to see total cases opened by month, cases opened by business unit, cases opened by work type, the average case length by work type, and the average case length by team member. The red, amber, and green color coding represents risk levels so that I can see the number of cases which are high, medium, or low risk. If I select an item in the bar chart, it allows me to drill down to see more granular data. Where relevant, all the dashboards have this drill-down capability. This provides users with much greater insight into activity at all levels. To make sure that I can review what I want to look at, I can also filter the charts by all, live, or closed. This overview dashboard is designed to provide me with a comprehensive insight into what work is coming into the function, where it is coming from, what type of work it is, who was it allocated to, and how long it took. The Team Leader dashboard allows me to see the total workload by team member, live cases by status, average case length by team member, and team opened and closed cases per month. Viewing this dashboard, I can quickly see the workload of each of my team. If I want to see the detail for a team member, for example Michelle Benny, I just click on the bar chart and it presents me with all Michelle's cases broken down by work type. If I want to drill further, I select a work type and it will show me which business unit those instructions have come from. I can also see the status of all the matters currently being handled by my team. Are they awaiting allocation to a team member? Or are they with the business, with a third party, or with the legal team? The last two charts show me the average case length by team member and the number of cases opened and closed each month. These provide a good insight into the overall effectiveness of my team and highlight areas where improvements may be possible. These charts allow me to ask the right questions. The Team Member dashboard allows an individual team member to see their cases by work type, the status of their live cases, the work they are doing for each business unit, the total number of cases they've handled each month, and the average length of each of the cases they have managed by work type. It helps them manage their work and their priorities. This is just a quick overview of the power of the dashboards in our in-house assistant. From experience, we know how effective they are in making sure that the right work is done by the right people at the right time and in the right place, whether this work is undertaken internally or by a third party.